This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below. 2018. This one here, I got a call. I gotta go change an outside faucet. The thing keeps spinning. It won't shut off, she said. So you gotta shut the water off in the basement. The outside faucet. My truck back.
I like it every afternoon when I sit on the patio and enjoy looking.
What, weeding? Yeah, that's kind of odd. It won't shut off. Very odd.
It is really odd?
Well, yeah, usually, you know, it's kind of odd that it won't shut, but so you got the water off. We'll cut it out, change it. Got the shut off over there off, so should be able to cut it, pull it out and change it. I just opened it. I did cut the T-back more so I could put a shut off in there. I just tied it in. So all I gotta do is this this one joint last. Should be able to flux that up and stick it in, screw it in, and do that one joint last there. Alright, so I got to shut off here if they got to shut it off and put that in there. See if it leaks. No leaks. Alright, so you got to pull the hoses off because that drains out. You know what I mean? When it shuts off, that drains out. So if you got the hoses on there, it can't drain in the winter time.
Right.
Okay?
But I mean, I don't have to take the
Not now.
the double that
No,
that
no.
thing off. Just the
I'm
hoses.
gonna just the hoses.
I take these hoses right off and drain them and put them in the bin.
These just disconnect, come one at a time.